Hi all, in this video I am going to show you about how you can earn some real PayPal money by just searching in Google. Make sure you stick with me throughout the video so that you will not miss out any of it. And also at the end I will give you one particular bonus in my video, so make sure you follow through it. If you are looking to earn some real money in online or about a cryptocurrency, or if you are looking to start a new business and become an entrepreneur, make sure you subscribe my channel and click on the bell notification to follow through it, because I will be posting videos like this on regular basis. Okay then, let's stick into today's topic. This video will be very short because I'm going to tell you about the website like MikeMonter.com, only this website. This website is like an internet marketing firm. It is basically like they will be giving you one search term. That search term you need to Google it and you need to give them short description about that to them. Once you click into MikeMonter.com/signup, you will be redirected to hobbyjam.com sign up. I will give the link in the description below. You can just click onto it to start that. And also, if you are working for hobbyjam, it is basically you are working for Mike Monter. You will get the pay only from MikeMonter.com, but you will be working in this website hobbyjam.com. You can just sign up here by giving your mail ID here. Here, this is the hobbyjam.com. Once you give the mail ID here and submit it, you will be part of it. There are some requirements for it. You must have a smartphone because they will be sending the text messages to you regarding it. And also you should have a desktop or laptop with internet connection, and basically it is for US workers. If you are not in US, it is not launched in worldwide. If you are not in US, you cannot work in it. But also, oh, don't worry, you can just sign up it. Maybe in future they will be launching it in worldwide, and it is paid through your PayPal account. It is not like a money you will be earning like way more than $100, something like that, because this like you will be spending like 1 minute or 2 minutes to make it, so it will be like around 20 cents or 20 cents or more. If you are looking to earn some like $50 or $100 in online, just make sure you stick with me throughout the end, because I will be telling you how to earn that. Okay then, there are some videos like instructions on how to make it. I will just play it for you here.
Video, I'm going to show you how you can earn money part-time doing simple internet research tasks. Tasks can be done on your smartphone, tablet, desktop computer, or anywhere that you have an internet connection. You receive payment for each task you successfully complete. Here's an example.
Here I passed it because these are the like tasks which you will be given, like they're like, see, ABC electrics. You need to just go into google.com and click on type ABC electrics, and you find the result, like not click on the ads but on the link in the description. And once you click onto it, just given a brief description below here. And also there is like google.com for ABC electric prices. Just go into Google and type ABC electric prices. You will get the content, and make sure you give a short description there and just submit the task. These are the tasks. These the type of the task you will be getting it. Just go into Google, type into it, and see that, and give a short description here. Once you submit it, you can earn the PayPal money. And there are some FAQs you need to go into it. I will be showing you. The biggest question we get: I signed up and not have anything. Just check your spam folder and email. And also they will be like I told you, right, each task pays 20 cents or more. So you will be earning like 20 months, 20 per dollar per month. You will be just spending in 1 minute, 1 to 5 minutes. That's it. Just they are basic tasks. You just go into Google, type it. Once you go into that and read that and given short description there, that's it. You will be just spending 5 minutes on the task. For just spending 5 minutes, you will get 20 cents. So on the monthly basis, you will earn like more than $20 per month. So it is like, what is this work for? It is like a marketing research. I told you, right? This Mike Monta is basically about internet marketing firm. So they are just getting their surveys like it for marketing research for their clients. How often will be paid? They will make payments on per week basis via PayPal. How do I get started? Just go to this website which I have given in the description below and give your email ID and submit it so that you can start it. I am also telling it again, this is only for US guys, not for worldwide. And I told you right, and there is one link which I am going to show you about the high ticket here. This is my number one recommendation. If you click onto this link, you will launch onto one of the website. It is a digital product where you will be used in that digital product. You can use it for affiliate marketing or to become an entrepreneur or to start a new business or to create an website, sales funnels and so on. There are way more digital products in it. You just click onto this link and launch into it. And also if you launch into it, make sure you contact with me where I have given in the description my email and my Discord server. You can contact me there. I will give you the videos, free videos which I have made it on my own. You can research into it and you can continue there how to earn some real money like way more than $1,000 per month and so on. It is an high ticket commission, so make sure you click into this link, my number one recommendation. It is a high ticket. And also make sure you subscribe my channel and follow through it so that you will not miss out any of my videos. Thanks.